Here is how we can review large attachments on the iPhone. Let me explain that. If it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So it kind of depends on what the goal is, but a lot of people just want to optimize their storage, right? And not have like a huge attachments taking up a lot of their storage. So the best way to do that would be by going to the settings, tapping the general section and going to the iPhone storage, of course. And we can see the breakdown at the top, and like the current situation is right there, and below we can see some recommendations, right? So usually it's gonna let you know about those. Like I can see the option to review downloaded media, and some of the like large files are gonna be in here, so that's something I can manage and perhaps delete if I wanted to, or I can go through the apps, right, and also manage the individual things. Interestingly enough, I can find the messages right here. I can even look it up manually, and I have the ability to manage the attachments which are part of the messages app, right? So for example, if I have some large files in here, like I don't know, like audio recordings, I can swipe away and delete those, or I can as well manage the photos if there is anything available, right? I just deleted it before. But yeah, that's like how you can manage the attachments part of the messages app, or use the recommendations to optimize the storage. If you, however, mean some large files inside of the Files app, let's say some PDFs or whatever you downloaded from emails, you can as well get in here and manage the storage in here. So for example, you can go to the downloads, which is most likely the situation or place where you store the attachments. You can tap the three dots and sort it by size, right? So you can decide that you sort it by largest to smallest, right? So let me just zoom it in like this. You can see this is my sorting, and the largest attachments or files are in the top of the list. So if I have anything which is kind of like large, you can see 1.4 gigabytes, which are actually the Instagram downloaded files, right? I just, whatever it is, I can hold down on it and basically delete it to free up my storage. So that's how you can review some of the larger files stored in your phone. So I hope that I was able to explain it from multiple different angles. Let me know if there are some other things which I did not mention. Then I can make an updated video about it in the future. For now, that's it, and I'll see you later.